Hello everyone, this is Priya and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to make this very cute and small crochet heart, and if you like this heart, stay with me till the end of this video. Before starting the main tutorial, I want to request all of you, if you are new to my channel today, please do subscribe and press the bell icon to get my next video update, and if you like my video, give a thumbs up. So let us get started. At first I will show you all the necessary ingredients for this heart. I will use yellow cotton yarn and 2.5 mm crochet hook. You can use any kind of yarn with its recommended hook size, and I will use a scissor. At first I will make one slip knot. Slip knot is done. Now I will make 6 chain stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 chain stitch. Now I will skip next chain stitch and I will make total 4 triple crochet into the top of the second chain stitch, 1 and 2 second chain stitch. First triple crochet. Now I will start second triple crochet. Second triple crochet is done. Now I will start third triple crochet. And now I will start fourth triple crochet. Fourth triple crochet is done. Now I will make 2 double crochet into the top of the next chain stitch. One, and 2 double crochet. Now I will make 1 single crochet into the top of the next chain stitch. 1 single crochet. Now I will make 1 single crochet into the same chain stitch. I make total 2 single crochet. Now I will make 2 chain stitch. 1, 2 chain stitch, and now I will make 1 slip stitch into the top of this stitch to make a chain 2 picot. Slip stitch is done. Now I will make 2 single crochet. One, and 2 single crochet. Now I will make 2 double crochet into the top of the next stitch. One and 2 double crochet, and now I will make 4 triple crochet into the top of the next stitch. One, two, three, and 4 triple crochet. Now I will make 1 slip stitch into the same stitch. Slip stitch is done. Now chain 1, and now I will cut this yarn. My heart is complete now. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please like and share it and leave a comment into the comment box. See you in my next video with a new crochet tutorial. Till then, take care. Bye.